And it's very normal for crypto spring for Bitcoin to outperform. And then as we come into crypto summer that we're transitioning into now, ETH starts to outperform Bitcoin. This is a terribly unpopular thing to say because people say, well, ETH is dead. It's a dead chain. It's not working, blah, 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 blah. Just wait.
Hey guys, welcome back to Everyday Finance. In this video, Raoul Pal discusses Bitcoin and crypto. You can observe the emergence of crypto spring, characterized by the breakout of a pattern and a gradual increase in momentum as we transition into the warmer days of spring. However, true summer arrives when the previous all-time high is surpassed. The market cap and price fluctuations can become extremely volatile, causing a significant surge in the value of Ethereum. As we progress, the cryptocurrency market is showing signs of rapid growth, and it is anticipated that by 2024, we will reach an all-time high market cap for various cryptocurrencies. This surge in value will push the chart into a highly unpredictable zone where people tend to lose their composure and become quite excited. And lots of things Raoul Pal discusses, so please watch the video to end and share this video and subscribe our channel Everyday Finance. Thanks.
What I'm saying is, using our model, we see significant continued upside into 2025, where then liquidity starts falling. And so sometime around the second half of the year, we will see a topping pattern in Bitcoin and therefore crypto. And it suggests that it should be strong. Even if you halve my halve the analysis that comes out of the model, that's still a great year. That's my point. Please do not tell me that I'm forecasting $400,000 Bitcoin. I'm not going to take that because people deal with it irresponsibly, and that's not the right thing. I'm just saying it's going up a lot. Also, Fed liquidity is the driver of the ETH Bitcoin cross, which is a proxy for altcoin season. Now, it's very interesting because we're now coming into the halving. And it was roughly at this point back in 2020 that ETH started bottoming versus Bitcoin, and then took a while to base and then went up like a rocket ship for the entire next year. I managed to capture that entire trend. And it's very normal for crypto spring for Bitcoin to outperform. And then as we come into crypto summer that we're transitioning into now, ETH starts to outperform Bitcoin. This is a terribly unpopular thing to say because people say, well, ETH is dead. It's a dead chain. It's not working, blah, 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 blah. Just wait. Have patience. You'll see. Will it outperform Solana? I very much doubt it. Solana's earlier in the adoption curve, so it means the percentage changes are larger. So that's how I see it with that. You can see the start of crypto spring, which was the breakout of this pattern and the slight acceleration. That's as we're getting to warmer days of spring, as it were. But really, summer happens when you break the previous all-time high in market cap and things go utterly bananas. So this is Ethereum. So this is the rest of the space really starting to accelerate. And sometime in 2024, we will hit all-time high market cap of altcoins. And this chart will go truly into the banana zone, which I know is a very fun time. People lose their fucking minds in this period. And I'm urging you to remember my rules about don't use leverage. Keep top 3, top 5 market cap tokens. If you are going to go out the risk curve, do it with 10% of your capital or less. Just be careful out there. Don't fuck this up. This is a gift, but you can screw it up by getting greedy, getting FOMO, and doing stupid shit you shouldn't do. Just don't do that. If you want to have some fun, catch an altcoin season, do it with your 10%. Who knows? You might make a 10x on it. Chances are you'll end up with a bunch of embarrassing stuff in your wallet that goes to zero over time. That's the way it works. But your ETH, Solana, Bitcoin, they'll do just fine.
Bitcoin kicks off the first week of its new, having a PO in strong shape as bulls move closer. The price action of BTC, currently around $70,000, appears to be regaining momentum following a successful halving event. Initiates the most recent chapter or era in Bitcoin's history, following a week of instability and declines to new lows. Bitcoin has certainly tested traders' resolve as the market wonders if the worst is over. Experts are exploring some well-known factors. Halvings typically result in a decline in BTC price, followed by a significant rebound. However, this process usually unfolds over several months, rather than days or weeks. The current cycle, however, has been marked by several unprecedented events, including BTC reaching a new all-time high before the halving event itself. As miners adapt to the new circumstances and Bitcoin navigates a delicate geopolitical and macroeconomic landscape, the possibilities for 2024 remain wide open. This underscores the importance of analyzing the current order book setup. Keith Allen, one of the co-founders of a trading resource material indicators, noticed a significant amount of ask liquidity positioned just above the spot price. It appears that this substantial block of BTC ask liquidity might have been strategically placed to hinder any potential upward movement. The deli is closing soon. I'm considering the possibility that one of the 10 high-profile institutions may have strategically intervened to prevent the price from returning to the $70,000 range before the markets open, giving them an opportunity to buy at a lower price. Allen observed that the absence of Wall Street may have contributed to the lack of liquidity. This could be the reason why they didn't sell off their assets over the weekend. After all, it wouldn't benefit them if they couldn't make any purchases, he reasoned. Let's back to the Raoul Pal interview.
Okay, let's talk about crypto summer, just in a very simplistic terms. Here's the chart of the seasons. So spring is green. We had a great spring this year. Summer is when a lot of the gains start to happen. Fall was tricky last time around. We got a stunted cycle. If you remember, that kind of double toppy style thing was highly unusual. 2017, 2013 were more typical, obviously, of the fall season. And so we don't know how this one's going to play out. I think it plays out more like 2013, 2017, but it's all assessing the odds as we go. But right now, this is the easy year, the summer. So we should just be able to set it, forget it, and let the gains accumulate. And then very soon, like in the next month and a half, we will start to hit the banana zone. And this is what happens when you hit the banana zone. Things get absolutely wild, which is the really magical part of why this is the greatest macro trade of all time.
Now that the block subsidy has ended, market participants are contemplating the future of Bitcoin, how the market will respond in the future, and if it will establish a new standard in comparison to past housing trends. One prominent figure in the financial industry is W Capital, a well-known trader and analyst. They have been closely monitoring the fluctuations in BTC price for several months now. Their analysis has identified several patterns that are reminiscent of previous housing phases in the Bitcoin market. Currently, W Capital is keeping a close eye on the situation. It appears that BTCUSD is currently going through a reaccumulation phase, characterized by a period of consolidation around the current price level. This could potentially explain the recent lack of price movement. He suggests that the reaccumulation range may serve as an ideal launching pad for long-term profits. If Bitcoin has already revealed the top and bottom of its post-halving reaccumulation range, the prices within this range would be the most favorable before Bitcoin experiences a parabolic upside. Another post further supports this theory. Last week, Bitcoin provided investors with a chance to buy the dip. It is expected that this pattern will continue, with Bitcoin remaining within its current range in the upcoming weeks. Any potential decrease in BTC value during this time should be seen as an opportunity to make a smart investment. W Capital wrote that in the upcoming weeks, there will be a chance to make some smart investment decisions during a period of consolidation. This could be a great opportunity to buy assets at a discounted price. If you learned something from this video, then please like this video and subscribe our channel Everyday Finance, and we will meet in next video. Thanks.